Well, hi there, everybody, and good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning. It's been a very busy 12 or so hours here across the area, and we're not quite done yet. First off, still some flooding concerns. There are numerous flash flood warnings in eastern Nebraska due to heavy rainfall. That was where the worst of it fell overnight. Some places 3 to 6 inches of rainfall. Had some higher rains here. There's a flood warning in effect in Dundee and Hitchcock County, and still a flood watch in place until 1 o'clock this afternoon over parts of south central to eastern Nebraska, where we have had quite a bit of rain. There's a lot of standing water, and maybe an additional inch or so of rain is going to be possible yet today in some of those locations. So some isolated flooding is going to be a possibility here. Let's take a look at Futurecast. Strong storms have exited Nebraska. They're pushing into Iowa now, and then off to our northeast right in here. They're getting their first round of what could be the first of a much bigger round later today. But some showers out west. There are some thunder showers in southwest Nebraska. This is expected to strengthen by the mid to late morning hours. So around 9, 10, 11 o'clock, we may start to see some stronger thunderstorms. By noon, we could see some severe weather, especially near and east of Highway 281. So severe weather is a possibility. Then those will clear out of most of our area by probably about 2 or 3 o'clock. Maybe still some lingering showers on the backside. Strong winds out of the north-northwest. Then this becomes a big monster of a storm system over into Iowa and northern Missouri this afternoon. By later this afternoon, we're still looking at some gusty northwest winds, gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour, some partial clearing, but we still may get a few more showers that come through tonight. Light rain in a few spots. Otherwise, by tomorrow morning, skies clear up. Lots of sunshine, lighter winds tomorrow, nice temperatures. Tomorrow night, mostly quiet. There is a very low-end chance of rain early Thursday morning. A better chance will come later in the day, including maybe a little more severe weather. But for today, and this does not include what we already dealt with, this is what's coming mid to late morning and early afternoon. I would go 9 a.m. to about 2 p.m. We'll have a chance of severe weather. Lower end chance in central Nebraska, but as those storms progress eastward through the morning into the early afternoon, the threat will get higher and higher. You can see it goes all the way up to a level 4 out of 5 moderate risk of severe storms in Iowa. For eastern Nebraska, including Lincoln, Fremont, and Omaha, Nebraska City, it's an enhanced risk of severe storms, a slight risk all the way back to about Grand Island and Hastings, and then again that marginal risk all the way back to about Lexington. Let's look at the threats here. The tornado threat, it's mostly going to be an isolated tornado threat over eastern Nebraska. Meteorologist David Stoltz is actually in Omaha. He's going to be kind of checking out things later this morning in these areas here. A much bigger monster to our east here over in Iowa. They've got a 15% chance of tornadoes, including possibly significant tornadoes. That basically means if you pick any one point within this red area here, so if I say right there, within 25 miles of that point, you've got a 15% chance of a tornado, including significant tornadoes, which are EF2 or higher. That's mostly to our east, though. The biggest threat for most of us is going to be hail. Large hail will be possible in central Nebraska, possibly some significant hail over 2 inches in diameter over eastern Nebraska. The damaging wind gust threat is mostly going to be over eastern Nebraska and then becomes a much bigger issue into Iowa and northern Missouri here. Looking ahead to Thursday, we've got a marginal risk of severe storms for a large part of our area. This will be late Thursday into Thursday night. We'll keep an eye on that as we go through the next. And once we get past today's severe weather event, I'll give you better details on what could be coming for Thursday and especially Thursday night. Well, highs today topping out in the upper 50s and 60s for most of us. Some 70s over southeast Nebraska, where some places are actually in the 70s this morning. Tonight's lows into the 40s and lower 50s. Tomorrow, more consistent 70s for highs. Low and mid 70s, lots of sun, less wind. Tomorrow night, 50s for most of us for overnight lows. And then looking ahead to Thursday, we'll warm it up actually before that system really gets going. Highs into the upper 70s and low to mid 80s on Thursday afternoon. And then comes the rain and thunderstorms. There is a low end chance of rain. So first off, let's look back here again at today. Most of our rain before 3 p.m. in the Tri-Cities. A little bit windy, especially this afternoon on the backside of those showers and storms. Warmer tomorrow with more sunshine. Small chance of rain early Thursday, a better chance late Thursday into Thursday night. Windy and warm, then windy and cooler on the backside of that system. Rain and thunderstorms wrapping up Friday morning, but still some off and on chances of rain and thunderstorms Saturday and Sunday. Monday, maybe still some showers around on Memorial Day. For the North Platte area, kind of similar conditions. Really the only big difference is that today it's mostly just showers, no real thunderstorms, no threat of severe weather. Otherwise, kind of similar with the timing of the showers and thunderstorms in the long-range part of the forecast. No major differences. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. I will be back with you Wednesday morning as we talk about all the latest. Until then, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.